in the world where
Every year, more than a million STDs are acquired. More and more people are becoming poor. Children are not sent to school and not fed properly. Let's plan ahead to secure a healthy future. Birth control pills. Birth control pills are type of contraceptive that's 99 effective at preventing pregnancy when taken consistently every day. The pill contains hormones that regulates menstruations, decrease PMS symptoms, lower the risk of ovarian and uterine cancers, improve acne and treat endometriosis.
Birth control pills, also known as oral contraceptives, are among the most widely used methods of pregnancy prevention worldwide. Taken daily, these medications contain synthetic hormones, either a combination of estrogen and progestin or progestin alone, that work primarily by preventing ovulation, thickening cervical mucus, and thinning the uterine lining. While birth control pills have been used for decades and remain popular for their convenience and effectiveness. They come with both significant these pros and cons provides a balanced view of their role in reproductive health.
one of the most noticeable benefits of birth control pills is their high effectiveness in preventing pregnancy when taken correctly. With perfect use, the pill offers over 99% protection, making it one of the most reliable non-device contraceptive beyond contraception. Many individuals use the pills for its additional health benefits. Birth control pills often regulates the menstrual cycle, resulting in periods that are more predictable, lighter, and shorter. This regulates can greatly improve quality of life for those who experience irregular or heavy periods. The hormones in some pills can also reduce menstrual cramps, lessen the symptoms of premenstrual syndromes, and improve hormonal acne.
Despite these benefits, birth control pills are not without drawback. One of the main challenges is the need for daily adherence. The pill must be taken consistently every day, and in the case of progestin-only pills, timing must be particularly precise. Missing pills or taking them irregularly can significantly lower their effectiveness. Some individuals may also experience side effects, especially during the first few months of use. This can include nausea, breast tenderness, pain between periods, head itches, or mood change. While these symptoms often decrease over time, they can be bothersome or discouraging for some users. Thank you.
In conclusion, birth control pills offer a range of significant benefits from effective pregnancy prevention to improve menstrual symptoms and long-term health advantage. However, they also came with potential drawback, including the needs for consistent daily use, possible side effects, and certain health risks. Alternatively, the decision to use birth control pills depends on personal preparation, health consideration, and guidance from a mental professional. Understanding both the advantage and limitation allow individuals to make informed choice about their reproductive health.
Advantage of contraceptive pills for students. Number 1, highly effective in preventing pregnancy. When taken correctly, the pill is over 99% and effective. This can reduce stress and help students stay focused on school goals. Number 2, regulates menstrual cycle. Periods become more predictable, which is helpful for managing school schedules, sports, and exams. Reduce menstrual pain and heavy bleeding. Less cramping and lighter period make it easier to attend classes and participate in activities. Number 4, may improve acne. Some pills help our hormonal acne, which can boost confidence. Number 5, can reduce PMS symptoms. Students may experience fever, mood swings, headaches, and bloating before their period. Number 6, convenient and non-invasive. Easy to carry, doesn't require procedure or device. Thank you.
Disadvantage of contraceptive pills for students. Number 1, must be taken every day. Busy or irregular student schedules make it easy to forget a pill. Missing pills lower effectiveness. Possible side effects. Some students may experience nausea, headaches, spotting between periods, breast tenderness, mood change. This may be temporary but can interfere with school life. Number 3, no protection against STIs. Pills do not protect against sexual transmitted infections. Students still need condoms for STI preventions. Number 4, requires access to healthcare. Prescriptions and occasional checkups are needed, which may be difficult for students with limited time of resources. Number 5, not suitable for everyone. Some health conditions or family medical histories may make certain pills unsafe, so medical guidance is necessary.
As a student, the most important step is to get an accurate information and consult a qualified healthcare professional before making any decision about contraceptive pills. As students should learn how the pills work, their pros and cons, and whether they fit their needs, lifestyle, and health situation. This includes understanding the responsibility of taking a pill daily and knowing that pills do not protect against sexually transmitted infection.
The use of contraceptive pills require consistency and proper understanding. Typically, the pills are taken once every day, ideally at the same time to maintain stable hormones level in the body. A missed pills or inconsistent timing can lower the pill's effectiveness, which is why daily commitment is essential. Pills pack usually contain 21 to 28 tablets. In the 21 days pack, the user taken once active pills each day for 3 weeks, allowed by the week with no pills, during which menstrual-like blood occurs in 28 days. Pack, the user taken active pills for 3 weeks and inactive or possible pills for the remaining week.
Sometimes you might fall on your way. Throw your head up, you get down when things don't fall into place.